Been 2 months since I posted, but check this out. I just built a full AI-powered website in minutes using this tool. And as you can see, it's integrated with AI, exactly the kind of stuff local businesses are asking for. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how I did it, plus how creators are actually turning this into real income. And yep, this is for educational purposes only. Results may vary depending on your effort. So let's see how fast we can build a website with AI integration. We'll use this website called mgeeks.dev. It looks like a chatbot, kind of like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. From here, you can switch to team mode, which gives you a full virtual AI team that helps bring your idea to life. The team leader, engineer, product manager, data analyst, and architect, all working together inside one tool. By the way, our results might look a bit different depending on the idea and prompts, and that's normal. So let's restart my timer and see how much time I need to create this full AI-powered website. First, we'll need 3 things. The local business will create the website for, the AI integration idea, like AI chat, smart content, etc., and the final prompt to put on MGX to let it generate the full website layout. Starting with the local business, let's imagine this one, The Daily Grind, a small-town cafe known for its strong espresso, fresh croissants, and quick grab-and-go breakfast options. Now for the AI integration idea, we'll use this prompt you'll find in the description. Just paste your business name and description to let ChatGPT suggest the best AI integration. If you want more ideas, just ask it for 10 more. Look at this one, an AI chatbot that asks visitors about their mood or caffeine level and then recommends the perfect drink. Now that's actually a smart and creative idea. Once you get your AI integration idea, paste it in the second prompt with the name and description again. ChatGPT will then give you the final prompt to use on MGX. Now go back to your team on MGX, paste your prompt, and let the AI team handle the setup from here. As you can see, they discuss the work, divide it between them, and once one finishes, they pass it to the next. It's honestly cool to watch it all come together. After about 8 minutes in my test, they gave me this result. It's actually really good. I like how it turned out, dynamic, smooth, and well structured. And this is how it looks on the phone. Let's test the AI menu recommender to see if it works. Cool. Once I give it my mood, it recommends the combo I should order. If you see anything you want to change, just chat with the tool like you're talking to a professional web agency, and it'll adjust it for you. For example, I didn't like how the AI menu recommender only had 4 mood options, so I told it, edit this AI menu recommender to have a text box where I can type my mood instead of only 4 preset options. After adding just 1 minute to our timer, it updated the design with a text box where I can describe how I'm feeling. So let's say, I feel creative and need a boost. There you go. Now it understands the text and suggests the perfect combo to order. Of course, if this were a real client project, you'd contact the cafe owner to get accurate menu details, images, and permission before uploading any content. Now click publish and you'll get a preview link to share with the local business for feedback before hosting it on WordPress, Versal, or any other platform they prefer. Now to actually find clients or local businesses, there are 2 ways to go find them, which we'll see in the next step on promotion, and to let them find you, which is what we'll see in this step. List your services. Think about this. If you have a shop in California, for example, there's a chance for people in that area to find you. But if you have one shop in more than one state, you'll maximize the chance for people to find you. And that's exactly why I give you this table of all the freelancer platforms where you can list your services with examples of gig or service titles. For example, on Fiverr, you can publish a gig titled, "I will build a modern AI-powered website for your business with smart integrations." Now to make things transparent and educational, let's see step by step how to do it. And you can do the same thing on other platforms. So to let everything be done using AI, I crafted this ChatGPT prompt that will help you set up your gig. Just put here the platform name, like Fiverr, and here the gig title. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you everything you need to list your service with SEO optimization to help your gig rank. So click on New Gig and start filling in all the info like the title, category, and tags. For the pricing strategy, I suggest creating only 1 package instead of 3. It should include a website with AI integration. For the price, you can set your own pricing strategy. For me, I usually make it less than $100. so $95 is a reasonable price for me. Now, just add the description that ChatGPT gives you, along with some frequently asked questions. These are questions buyers might ask. You can add around 3 to 5, then click Next to add the questions buyers will answer after purchasing the gig, so you can know exactly what they need for their website. We mainly want to know what kind of AI integration they want, along with a short description of their website. Include these questions and make sure to select free text so they can write their own answers. Now click Next, and this is the important part, the gig gallery. You need to present your service in a way that attracts views. For this, you can either pay someone to make it for you or do it yourself, like I do. I just use some websites I've already generated, add catchy text to attract viewers, and include a few eye-catching elements. Always make sure you have rights to use any visuals or website examples you include. And yeah, always make sure to mention that the website is made with AI. This makes your work trustworthy. That's it. Once you click Next and verify your identity, your service will be listed on your first platform. Remember, the more platforms you list your service on, the more chances you have for awareness and discovery. And to maximize your chances even more, you'll need to promote your service. This will let you go and find local businesses to show them the services you listed on freelancing platforms. And to do this, I got you with 3 ways. First, social media, exactly TikTok and Instagram, the best platforms for virality. For the type of videos to post, you can find them by analyzing successful brands offering similar services. It's super easy to create. Just record a short demo clip of your website or make those trending style videos. And by the way, MGX can let you see the code. So yeah, that's the kind of video you can post. Just make sure to stay consistent. Posting regularly helps build trust with these platforms over time. And creating content isn't the only way. You can still create content and contact small businesses directly to offer your service in a legal and respectful way. Don't spam messages. Be nice. The second way is the Google Maps strategy, where you can find tons of small businesses like cafes, gyms, and more. I crafted for you a list of small business niches to look for. Once you find one on Google Maps that doesn't have a website, contact them politely and offer your service. Or you can use the third way, literally walk down the street, find small businesses near you, and offer your service in person. If you've already created an example before showing it to them, that's even better. Because just imagine if this coffee brand sees a website with AI integration that suggests drink combos based on customers' moods, they'd be crazy to turn down that offer. So here's the rule. If a small business has a great website, skip it. If it has a bad website, offer an AI-powered upgrade. If it has no website, offer a full creation. And that's just one example of what you can do with AI. Check out the rest of the playlist for more ideas. Peace.